Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is lesson 79, and let's look at the word Ur of the Chaldees and Canaan. We find these words in Genesis 11, verse 31. And Terah took Abram his son, and Lot the son of Haran his son's son, and Sarai his daughter-in-law, his son Abram's wife. And they went forth with them from Ur of the Chaldees to go into the land of Canaan. And they came unto Haran and dwelt there. And we find the Strong's number for Ur is H218. H218 is Aleph, Vav, Resh, Or, and it means a flame. Its origin is the same as H217. H217 has the same spelling, Aleph, Vav, Resh, Or, and it means flame or light of fire. Its origin is from H215. Notice the definition at the bottom. It's a flame, hence in the plural, the east, as being the region of light. We need to recall that Moses is probably the author of the book of Genesis, and he was some 500 years after the time of Abraham, and actually probably this is from his perspective of living in Canaan on the west side of the Jordan, and so Ur is in the east where the sun rises. And the origin of both of these words is H215, Aleph, Vav, Resh, the same spelling, Or, and it means to be or to become light, to shine. The indication is that of a sunrise, or to facing to the light. The word Chaldees is H3778. Kuf, Shin, Dalet, Yot, Kazdi, or in English, Chaldee, or Chaldean, and it means the clodbreakers. It is the territory in lower Mesopotamia bordering on the Persian Gulf. This word comes from H3777, and it is the patronymic form, that is the father form, of the word Kesed, Kaf, Shin, Dalet, Kesed, or Chesed, which means to increase. And notice that it's the fourth son of Nahor, the nephew of Abraham. So, again, thinking that Moses, being the author, chose to call that territory in the where the rivers Tigris and Euphrates empty into the Persian Gulf, to call that after the name Chesed, or in English, Chaldee. And finally, looking at the word Canaan, H3667, Kaf, Nun, Ain, Nun, Canaan, and of course it's in English Canaan. It means the lowland. Notice that it's the fourth son of Ham and the progenitor of the Phoenicians and of the various nations who peopled the seacoast of Palestine. This is also a reference to the land west of the Jordan, peopled by the descendants of Canaan, and subsequently conquered by the Israelites under Joshua. This word has its origin from H3665, meaning humiliated, Of course, it's Canaan or Canaan, the son of Ham. Remember, Ham uncovered Noah's nakedness, and Canaan was cursed for it. So Canaan means the son of Ham. Remember, he was cursed or brought low. Also, it's the country inhabited by him, which is referred to as the low country. Remember, along the seacoast there was a lot of traffic and merchants traveling, and so it also has allusions to mercantile and traffic. H3665 is Kaf Nun Ain Kana, and it means to be humble or to be humbled, to be subdued, to brought down, to be low. All of these concepts we've already discussed them. To be under, to be brought under subjection, and it is a primitive root. It says it means to properly bend the knee, to humiliate or vanquish, to bring down, to bring low into subjection.